3 a.m. every day to catch up.
She knows you're not angry at her though, right? Was that clear? Because I imagine it was like a silent ride home. But I hope she knows that you're angry at them and not her. Because it does kind of sound like you're angry at her. I'm imagining the car ride home and she's like distraught, but you're just like angry Maureen. Of course. Okay. I had no doubts. We agreed not to speak about it. No, that's not good. Just bitch about it. Be like, fucking dickheads. Fuck those guys. And she's like, yeah, fuck those guys. As a half Japanese, yes, this is very accurate. Haiku poem level quality. Thank you. We have the same sort of annoyance. Oh, that is really annoying. I'm sorry. She'll get there. So what happened though? Did you have to pay for the lesson? Fuck that. How much are lessons these days? I think like back in the day, my lessons were like 50 bucks. 50 bucks for an hour, about that. But I only had to do 5 lessons, which is pretty good. I don't catch anything, but you sound so cute. Oh, not kawaii. Kawaii, not kawaii. You know, I pretend to be like, this thing is over and we get on to the next thing. Hate wasting time and energy on pointless things. Oh, I'm a molder through and through. I will angrily rant about it and get angry about something for a long time. I have toxicity inside of me. In England, it's so long time to get a license. I'm meant to drive legally, but have illegal car like insurance and tax paid for just no license. Oh, right. I filled up my car today with petrol. It is $2.20 Australian. I can't convert that into US, I'm sorry. Maybe like $1.30, maybe. Oh, awesome. No, that's horrible. What the hell? Fuck you. Mondi, I was in deep thoughts. Oh. I was maybe like $1.30. What's the conversion of $2.20 Australian? I paid $2.20 for petrol. Redonkulous. She looks so sad. Is your car 1.6 maybe? No, my car's only like 1.3. I'm pretty sure. It's like a 1.3 or 1.2 turbo. My Barina was 1.6, I think, but not turbo. They use gallons. Oh, fucking gallons, you're right. I forget. But you just got scolded. You look like you didn't pass the driving test. Oh, hey, Will. Hello.
Hello. How's things?
Hello.
Can't believe it's been 7 months since the milk stain brung me here, lol.
The milk stain. This crazy milk stain's still here. We had a bit of a milk stain hiatus and everyone felt so clean, but they're back.
I wasn't around to fully hear Luton's story, but I'm so happy for him and his wife. Or sorry that happened. No, but seriously, that driving instructor is a grade A cunt. I checked, there's no rules about not having a safely secured baby seat during a driving lesson.
Yeah, right. Did you check the UK laws? It seems to be odd. Yeah, that seems very odd. I don't even know. Like, if that happened and you were a not nice person, it seems like your wife is very lovely. If it was me, I'd be like, what the fuck are you talking about? It's a baby seat. Like, it's not in my vision. You stupid idiot. Like, if anything, it should be in here because it's more likely that I'm going to be driving with a baby seat in the car. So it's actually better practice for me. Yeah, dummy head. They really said too long, didn't read at the beginning. Yeah, I checked in the UK. Yeah, I checked. So stupid. Wilkes, thank you for resubbing, by the way. Thank you. Also, welcome in Shuttles from 5 minutes ago. Hello, Shuttles. Okay, I think this is long enough. Nice. Win Quali's take. I would genuinely look into it and lodge a complaint, if not for anything else. Don't put my money back. Did you pay for the lesson? No kilning. Sorry, just air dry and Billy. When I left New York, 97 octane was $2.20 a gallon. Wait, but how much is a gallon though? Is a gallon 4 liters? Am I crazy? Is it 4.5 liters or something like that? I've never had to use a gallon before in my life. It's 4? Oh yeah, 3.8. Okay, cool. Gallon. So funny. Oh no, my nail. Yeah, I filled up my car. My car's about 40 liters. And it cost me $100 dues. That's crazy. $100 for a fill up. Is that normal? It's a small car as well. It's not like I'm punching an SUV. Still kind of thick.
Percent more input percent.
What? Slav. Hey, is this the day of Prime? So cool. Thank you. So, hey for TV. I'll fucking go. Hey for TV. Hey, thank you for the Prime. This is very nice. Very, very nice. So many Primes today. Is the day of Prime reset? What's the date today? It's the 8th, right? Oh my god, the date. Oh, 2 minutes. I've never understood why Americans call petrol gas when it's clearly a liquid. Yeah. Yeah, right. I've never really thought about that, hey? I've always just thought about it as just the word gas. So I should have put a fake baby in the seat just to simulate realism. Yeah. Turns out I actually incorrectly had the baby seat in the passenger seat of the car and the driving instructor would not sit on it even if they asked nicely. Hello, fiddle diddles. And my classic US cars will run on pump gas. What do they run on? Garbage? Hello, Milty's Milk. That's a cute name. Reminds me of like malted milk. It's prime time. Oh wait, it's a liter meters environment here. I'm used to imperial system in most streams. Yippee! Yeah, we don't use that shithouse system here. I'm kidding. Not kidding. Americans just have to do everything backwards compared to the world. I know, right? But it's so hard because they are convinced that they're the right ones. And they're not right, because it's obviously what they grew up with. But most of the world uses, you know, their own thing. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now we have, these are the side panels. And we can cut out, oh, I didn't even cut out the windows, but I'll let those sit for a bit. Oh, I wonder if I could get away with doing, no, that'd be stupid. Okay, I can just to be fair, Americans do measure the size of their gas engines in liters. Really? That's confusing. Yeah, that's why I currently reside in NZ. Oh, good idea. Wait, what? They do their gas tanks in liters, but then they do their petrol in gallons? Does that not get confusing? But maybe it's good because they learn the liter system as well. Hello, Kakaru. Yeah, my tank is usually 40, but I swear sometimes I can put 45 in there. 45 liters. Such a good car. I can get, on a good tank, I can get about 700 to 750, about 700 to be safe, kilometers out of my tank. That's so good, right? How much can you get out? Do you know? Have you ever pushed it down to the very, very bottom? You're not supposed to do that. I know. My dad get that. My dad, every single time I say this to him, he's like, oh, Quali, you are not supposed to drive it all the way down to empty. It's bad for the car. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I just want to know how much I can get out of one tank, you know? He's like, oh, It's so bad. Stop doing it. Wait, wasn't gas measured in gallons? Yeah, maybe? How many killed kangaroos is that? I will have you know I've not killed any kangaroos in this car. This is a kangaroo-free car. Though I did kill a rat the other day. Or a bush mouse. I think it was a bush mouse. Nice. Good cut. It actually fucks the injectors, yeah. But now I know how much I can get. That's cool. Is it bad because you collect all the dirt from the bottom of the tank into the fuel system? I think so. I think so.